But there's a reason why there's a difference between drugstore and high-end. You know, 1 + 1 = 2, but when you get in drugstore foundation, 2 + 2 = 6. Let's do better, because we can do better.
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real, purse, full, big bills, bitch, I'm a big deal.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, before I get started, I'm only gonna give you all about 5 seconds to curse my ass out, because I already know. I know. Alright, that's it. So today, I am going to be doing my everyday flawless makeup routine. Every time I do my makeup, everybody asks me what I'm using, what did I use, and I decided to finally let you guys in on my secrets. Okay, so grab your pen and paper and let's get to this. Before I start, I just want to say, I know that there's a lot of videos with higher end makeup brands versus affordable drugstore makeup brands, and I just want to say, majority of the products that I'm using are high-end products. That doesn't mean that y'all can't afford it, all right? It doesn't mean that because it's high-end, it's not affordable. There are so many opportunities for people to be able to buy makeup like in installments, right? So all you gotta do, Afterpay, Sizzle, Klarna, whatever, sign up. They start you off with a small amount, and then you gradually build up credit. You know what I mean? It's like having a credit card. What's the difference? I just feel like in 2021, people really need to start investing in themselves if that's what they want to do. Like, and if you're able to do it, right? Imagine you could buy a foundation for $50 and, you know, divide it by, you know, 3 or 4 payments, however, how many they do. And you're paying like, what, 12 times 4 is 48. So you pay like $12.20 or something like that every 2 weeks for a foundation that you really want. So just because the products that I have here are expensive, that doesn't mean that you guys can't get it. There's ways to get it. There's apps that you can use. I'm sure that there's a million videos on YouTube about how Afterpay works, how Klarna works, how Sizzle works, how QuadPay works. There's a bunch. There's so many. So I just wanted to say that because this is gonna be a bougie, flawless routine. So if you want your face to look like me, these are the products that I use, and let's get into it. My brows are already done. So I use the Morphe eyebrow pencil. That's how I like to do my brows. Do your brows how you like to do it. My eyebrows be going through some changes, but to be honest with you, I really like the way that they're looking now. So I like them. I'm gonna play my music, and you already know what to do.
Things are about to get ugly. Keep it together. Things are about to get ugly.
So this is the final look. Just really quick, I'm gonna have everything listed down in the description box, but really quick, I just want to go over everything that I kind of used, and it only took me 30 minutes to do this, so it was quick. All right guys, so for my foundation, I used the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I'm obsessed with this foundation. I can't say enough great things about it. It is truly my #1 go-to foundation. I don't use it often because it is expensive, but it does give me that flawless look that I need, and I paired it along with the soft matte concealers. So I use 2 colors for the soft matte concealers. I use Walnut and I think Amande. Yep, I use Walnut and Amande for my under eyes. I put the darker one, which is Amande, on all over to kind of spot conceal my face, and then I use Walnut to highlight under my eyes. So those are the 2 concealers that I use here. So I think that the biggest secret for me for a flawless application with any foundation or concealer that I want to use are the Charlotte Tilbury powders. They are unmatched. Hands down, go to my favorite. Those are very expensive, and I do use those every single time I do my makeup because it just makes any foundation and concealer, regardless of the quality, look amazing. I don't know what the hell is in those products, but it is amazing. So I have the color 3, which is dark, and then I also have the color 4, which I can't find around here. I'm not sure if it's deep. I'm not really sure, but I have the colors 3 and 4, and I will be picking up 2 so that I could make my under eyes even brighter if that's the look that I want for that particular day. So the Charlotte Tilbury powders, they're called the Flawless or the Airbrush finishing powders. Those are them. That's it. There's nothing else to say. Get those powders, figure it out, budget, work a second job, do Afterpay or Klarna, Sizzle, QuadPay, whatever, get you those powders, because that would literally change your makeup game for sure. And then so for bronzer, I also use the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Love it. Can't say enough good things. It gives me the color that I want. It also kind of makes me look like I have a blush on, which I really do like. So I love that bronzer as well. I go back and forth between that one and the Morphe on which ones I use when I constantly do my makeup, but I definitely do like that bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. It's like, Charlotte Tilbury products they lit, for real. And then for my lips, I used, for liner, what did I use for the liner? For the liner, I used the Juvia's Place liner in the color Cola. You can use any brown lip liner. I don't really think it matters the name brand that you use. So I use Cola for my lip liner, and then for the lips, I use this. I used the Fenty Glow cream lip. I did a video on that. I can link it down below as well for you guys. I did a video on all of those lip creams. They were amazing. I have every single one of them, and I'm obsessed with them. But this one is particularly my favorite for like a nice pink color. I do like it a lot, so yeah. And then for my brows, I think I mentioned I used the Morphe pencil for my brows, and that's it. I have lash extensions now, so it definitely cuts the time when you don't have to worry about your eyes. Like, my eyes already look like they're done. I don't even have to use liner anymore. But if I was gonna use liner, I would use my liner by the Balm yes, I love it. It's amazing. I get mine off of Amazon. If I was gonna use eyeliner, that's one that I would be using. But again, I don't need eyeliner because I got lash extensions. I'm different now. Do not let the fact that you work a part-time job or the number looks large stop you from getting the products that you want to achieve the face that you want to achieve. Again, I'm not saying that drugstore foundations can't, but there's a reason why there's a difference between drugstore and high-end. You know, 1 + 1 = 2, but when you get in drugstore foundation, 2 + 2 = 6. Let's do better, because we can do better. So guys, thanks again for watching. I'm so sorry it's been so long since I recorded a video. It's ridiculous and it's ghetto, and we're supposed to leave ghetto in 2020. So I am gonna be doing better. I'm getting my shit together up in here so that I can continue to provide the content that you guys need. And again, thank you guys for subscribing. I got like a couple of new subscribers. I'm almost at 900, which means I'm almost at 1,000, which is one step closer to getting monetized. We're not there in watch hours yet, but we are there in subscribers. So I am so happy to have all new subscribers that I do have. It makes me so happy. I don't know, it makes me feel like you guys like me, you know what I'm saying? I will list everything down in the description box, and if you guys have any questions, of course, leave them down below, and I will definitely get back to you guys. So that's all I got. Y'all like it? Oh, and I got a sewing. Guys, 2021 Betty D, she different. She different now. My mom said today that she don't know what to do with me because I'm different. I told her, yeah, I'm different now. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.